Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana and today we're going to be refreshing ourselves with a delicious, simple to make, very popular horchata. I'm telling you, this drink is so popular in Mexico. Let me show you how to make it. To make it, start by soaking 1 cup of long grain white rice in 2 cups of hot water and also add a whole cinnamon stick. Let it soak for at least 2 to 6 hours, or if you have the time, let it soak overnight. When ready, pour into the blender and puree. We need to break down the rice as much as possible so that the water is infused with all the rice flavor. Now strain the mixture. This blender does a great job pureeing, but just to make sure, I'm going to use a really fine strainer with a piece of cheesecloth over it. I'm all about a smooth horchata. Next, in your favorite glass pitcher, pour in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of whole milk, the blended rice mixture, 4 cups of water, and stir to combine. Make sure the condensed milk dissolves completely. Oh, and also, we need to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and if it's Mexican, even better. Stir once again to integrate the vanilla and taste. This to me is the perfect sweetness, but if you like it sweeter, you can add granulated white sugar until you're happy with it. To serve, I like to add the ice to the glass because if I add it to the pitcher, it will dilute the drink after some time. I prefer it this way, but if you want to add it to the pitcher, you can. After you fill the glass with the ice, pour in the creamy horchata. This looks amazing. The perfect drink to refresh ourselves. Lastly, dust a touch of cinnamon powder over the drink and mix it in. Everything about this is so exciting. This horchata has amazing ingredients that contribute to its creaminess and richness. It's such a delight. This drink is so rooted into our culture and its popularity only grows. It's definitely a must try. So refreshing. As promised, it is easy and delicious. Now, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. I'm gonna leave all of the links down in the description area. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell because believe me, that is how you show me all of your support and your love. All right, until the next one.